Hi learners, let's see how to calculate the value of, this is the question, that is 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 by 2. So first thing, this is the numerator. So we'll write this 1 as it is, this 1 by 2 as it is, this plus sign as it is, this as it is. Now first thing we are going to think about this, that is 2 plus 1 by 2. So now look at here, when we write here 2 plus 1 by 2. So when we write 2 plus 1 by 2 here, so whenever we write 2 plus 1 by 2 means there is 2 means there is 1 over here. So now when you compare this and this, the LCM is going to be 2. So now look at here, this is 1 extra what I wrote here, because 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. And since the LCM is 2, you have to multiply by 2. Since you have multiplied this by 2, this also should be multiplied by 2. So now what is here? 2 times 2 is 4, and this is 2, and this is 1 by 2. So now what you can see, this 2 and 2, the denominator is the same. So what you are going to write, that you are going to write it only once, and you are going to add it. So 5 by 2. So this whole part is nothing but 5 by 2. Hope you got this one. Rest everything is the same. So now look at here. Again, this is the numerator as it is. This is here. This plus sign. And when we write here 1, and this is actually the division sign. So this is my extra step. So 1 divided by 5 by 2. So I'll tell you why did I write this one. So for the better understanding. And now many of them get confused at this step. So I wrote it same thing in this way. So again, what did I do? I wrote this one as it is, 1 by 2 as it is, this as it is. And now concentrate on this one. 1 divided by 5 by 2 is nothing but this is the left hand side and this is your right hand side. So what happens here? Left hand side remains the same. And this sign changes to multiplication, and this becomes the reciprocal, means 2 goes up because you have changed the sign, and this one 2 by 5. So this is the step for this one. Hope you got this. This is very important step. So now what will we do? Again, the numerator will be as it is. 1 by 2 is going to be as it is. And 1 multiplied by 2 by 5 means that is going to be 2 by 5. So now again the numerator will be as it is. Now we are going to look at the denominator. 2 and 5, the denominators are not, they are unlike one. So what are you going to do? You are going to make it to same by taking the LCM. So what is the LCM of 2 and 5? That is going to be 10. So what are you going to do here? 2 you are going to multiply by 5. That will be 10. And since you multiply this by 5, this also should be multiplied by 5. So here you have 5. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. And since you have this multiplied by this by 2, this also should be multiplied by 2. So that is going to be 1 divided by 5 by this 10. 5 by 10. And same here, this is 4 by 10. So now what you can see, again, what are you going to do? This numerator as it is. Now you can see the denominators are same. So now look at here, the numerator is as it is, the denominator same, means we are going to write it only once, and this we are going to add it. So 5 plus 4. Again here, the numerator is same. This is going to be 9 and this 10 as it is. So now see here, this is again, you can, if you want, you can write one step. This is again 1 divided by 9 by 10. You can write this step if you want. So which is nothing but 1 multiplied by, if you change the sign of the division, that will be multiplied by, this is going to be the reciprocal, that is going to be 10 by 9. This is what I wrote. So now this is the last, what we are going to do. 1 multiplied by 10 is 10 by 9. So this is the final answer. Hope you got this one.